So right now we're because technically you don't really need to drop the exhaust on this or really move it, but it's kind of helpful because it covers up one of the corners of the tank over there. So you can, all this is just a bunch of rubber hangers like that up there. So let's drop back part of the exhaust. Now it's already disconnected by that flexi joint, you know. So grab our tooling for that, which includes pry bars and wherever that one giant pliers went. Too much stuff. Here we go. Grandpa's inside right now, watching the Waltons, eating lunch, and then he's gonna watch Gunsmoke. And he'll be back at 1. You know, the Waltons are from 11 to 12, and Gunsmoke's on from 12 to 1. You know. Somebody's driving around. Somebody's driving something big around out there. This is a hook that Grandpa found on the road. As you can tell, it's still in perfect condition. That's why you don't let your hooks drag on the ground. So, yeah, we'll just keep on working on getting this stuff off.
This actually will take time to get all those connectors off. Should we start lowering the tank down and see if we really need to do it?
Well, how hard is it to draw? There's not that many of them. Okay, so we actually have decided that we're not going to drop the exhaust right now, and we're going to see if we need to later, because there's some small difficulty in getting off really old rubber on metal, so, you know. So now we're going to grab a little jack with a 2x4 or something.
One quick thing. Aluminum race car.
Race car.
Race car.
Race car. Aluminum. Race car. Not so aluminum.
Rusty, Minnesota.
Still a race car.
Still a race car.
Old man grown.
Deep pain.
You know, I'm just like a year older, so I'm just so old now. Just deep pain. Yeah, so we'll just get like a jack and kind of just do the things quick. Alright, got this best camera angle ever over here because I forgot our one clamp to go on our camera, so there you go. Pretty professional. Gotta grab my all the things that we need for doing things. First, when you're doing this, you want all your safety things, like gloves and stuff. Oh, don't want to knock off any rust. Well, anymore.
Not too bad.
What? The seams on the outside are always what rusts, or rocker seams or whatever.
Okay, stop right there. Look at that bolt. Look at that bolt. Wow. Well, the strap might not be as good as the bolt, but okay. So the strap is bolted on both sides, but if we can leave that side, we're going to do that. Okay, so we're coming down a little bit with the jack. A little bit more. Tiny bit more.
That's it.
Okay, so the other strap.
Holding it right now. Do you have enough room to get to the filler neck in there?
Not yet.
Yeah, so I guess we gotta drop the side of the tank a little bit then.
Okay, so go up a little bit. Okay, right there. And we're going to do that side of the tank too.
Spin our jack out of here. Spin our jack a little bit. Get in. Just get in here. Scoot you guys out of the way.
Okay, let's move the jack towards the middle a little bit more.
Towards the what?
Okay, that's, well, there.
It is. It's.
Let me just get that bolt. You see it?
Oh yeah.
So I struggle with the hand tool.
I ain't wasting any time.
Yep.
Look at that. Are you looking at it? Do you see the quality? You want to put that in a safe location.
I just took it in the strap upside down. Starting to smell pretty good over here.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's come down a little bit when we're on the jack.
And now we're sitting on the strap is hanging on the exhaust.
Okay.
You're not even. Are you watching Gunsmoke?
No, it's not on yet.
Okay, go back up a little bit.
You need help?
Not
No.
yet.
We're good.
You need gas out of it?
Not yet.
Oh.
I think we're gonna have to move the exhaust if we want to get. So now I see why you want to get the exhaust off.
Where is the bolt?
Because the strap is hanging on the exhaust and that's holding up stuff.
Oh, there she is.
I can see exactly that's higher.
No, there's plenty of space in here.
Oh.
It's just we're trying to.
If the car is up too high, we can't reach the top of the
Oh.
tank anymore. That's what we're going to run into, I think.
It's gonna be me crouching out under here trying to.
How hard would it be to move this sway bar? That's right. If that wasn't there, we could get...
If you want sway bar end length.
And it's bolted on right here. Yeah, those will probably not come.
No.
That's funny, there's a rubber built into this strap. There's a rubber thing so the sway bar doesn't hit it. Can you see that right here?
No.
So you go up and let's look at this from here, and there's a rubber thing molded into the strap. Where the sway bar goes.
Okay, because there's There's 2 in the front. Probably be easy ones because you got plenty of things to grab.
So let's start from the front, work our way back, maybe.
Or you can work on the back, and I'll start working on stuff in the front. We can try to divide and conquer.
Okay.
Okay, so now we realize that we kind of need to get the exhaust off again because we realized why you need to do it, and it makes sense. So we're gonna drop that because there's 3 hangers in the back. There's like 1 hanger like right over my shoulder. And there's like 2 hangers in the front. Then everything on this side of the flexi joint will drop out. We can move that out of the way for now. We're gonna try to do that. Wouldn't it be nice to have a car lift?
Yeah. Be too easy. Okay, 1 hanger off.